So this little girl is 8 days old, and when she was born in the posterior position. And what that means is she was head first, and when she came out, she was facing the ceiling. Now this is very traumatic for one, mom, and two, the baby. So today we're gonna give her her very first adjustment ever. I think I just woke her up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check her range of motion side to side. So since she's turned left, I'll start turning her to the left. And we'll see how much motion she has. And her motion's really good to the left side. So that's what we want to see. That's what we would call normal. We're going to check the right side. And she typically favors the left. So when I come right, it gets stuck about right there. So she kind of fights me. She doesn't want to go that far to the right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put pressure with the tip of my finger on the left side of her neck here. And basically just stress things in this position. And what happens is she fights against it because she doesn't want to go this way. So you can see her wince a little bit. Then we just give just a little bit more. And there it goes. So you can feel it just release. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll check the left side again. Good job, sweetheart. Good. A little bit more. Awesome. Okay. Now let's check that right side again. There we go. So it was nice and smooth. She didn't fight against it, and she has a lot more range of motion on that side. And again, all it was just pressure with this finger on that left side of her neck. But now she's adjusted. That was her very first adjustment. Say, woohoo! Good job.